All right, we got the outer rocker finally up there. Definitely not in where it needs to be. So I got some trimming that I got to do because when I cut everything, I just rough cut it. Kind of to where I thought it would be. So this has got to get trimmed up. I think like a 1/2 inch. This got to get taken off a little bit. The front is actually pretty close. The back has to get trimmed just a bit on the back side, I think. But I'm not 100% on that, because once this back comes up to where it needs to be, it'll kind of twist. It'll twist that. It'll twist that front, so the back of the front will come down. So yeah, that's what we got done today, which is actually pretty exciting. We are getting there. Like I said, once the rocker is on, outers are on, body work it all up, get the cab corner situated, get that smoothed out. I do need to get, I'll have to call today to get new pins for this side. The front door sagged a lot. You can see that the pins move in there, which causes the door to sag. The back here didn't sag. It actually it actually shut really nice, but man, this back hinge is pretty. I'd actually put some heat on it to get it to pop off of this sucker, so I'm just gonna replace it. Gonna replace it. So I don't have to worry about anything popping up on me in the future here with it. So yeah, it's coming together pretty good on this side. It's a lot smoother than I thought it would. I thought it'd fight me till the bitter end, but once we got those cab supports brackets figured out, it went pretty smooth. So we'll get this trimmed up, get the center trimmed, and we will be styling. It'd be nice. My goal is to have, by Friday, I'd like to have the outer welded in place and ground down smooth. It'd be nice to have the cab corner on it, but we shall see. I do have to wait for the pins because I got to hang the doors, or at least hang the back door to make sure I get the cab corner in the right place, and then make sure that all the shaping that I did on this is gonna pass. It's gonna be a little iffy in spots, so probably have to still do a little bit of steel work up here, especially places like this and this, get it pulled out to where it looks good. But yeah, we do a little bit more here before I gotta leave. I leave in a couple minutes, and I'm gonna try to trim this up and real quick and see if I can get this back to pop up there and look right. So Thursday morning, try to get this outer rocker on. It's all coated in some POR. The outer's inner is coated. Outer's innards. Got that coated. Got the inners coated. Innards? Yeah. That coated. So, that's looking sharp. Everything is nice and rock frickin' hard. Looking good. So, all I gotta do now, I gotta grind this down. This is where my glue edge is. Grind this edge down. Grind this edge down. This edge down. This edge down. And this down. I got a little weld here I gotta smooth out. So we can, oh no, never mind. This is not, my bad. Cuts off here. We don't have to worry about this yet. That's for the cab corner. So, we're gonna throw it up here. Probably have a little bit of trimming yet to do. Yeah, we probably have a little bit of trimming yet. I think there's a touch on this center. And then might be just a little bit on the back here. But we'll throw it up here, get it clamped up, see where we're at, and go from there. Be nice to be able to get that glued up today. If we can get it glued up there, we should be good to get it welded and smoothed out tomorrow, which was the goal going into this week. So, let's see what we can do. All right, we got her in place. A couple clamps on it. This is what it looks like. The backside, nice and flush. Middle, got to pull in a touch, but that is perfect. And then the front, nice little gap for my weld. And that is looking fantastic. So, I'm gonna throw, what I like to do is I'll throw a couple self-tappers. Boom, 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 boom. That way I can basically act as alignment holes. Do have one spot right here I gotta grind to make it it fits in there, but it's hanging right there. Grind that. Self tappers. Pull it off. And then grind what I need to grind. Get it glued up, I guess. Went a little bit faster than I thought it would. So, get that done, and man, it's gonna be a good day. Right, so my battery died, so I didn't get to record putting it up. Anyways, I went and got a different battery after I got it all screwed up. Clamped up, put in place, and it is looking nice. So like I said before, I use the screws. I mean, I'd wish I had like 100 vice grips and clamps, but I don't. So where the pinch well goes on the outer is where I screw it, because I can put the panel bond in the screw holes, and then you have your weather strip, and so it'll be fine. So that's what I do around the top. I don't like, however, on the outer to put any more holes than need be. So I do clamp it as much as I can. And that all came together pretty decent. So it's coming together. It's looking good. Tomorrow, because I got to get going, is I am going to smooth this out, weld them up, smooth them out. If I got enough time, maybe I'll throw some fiberglass over the top of my welds, and we are gonna be styling. Yeah, I'm waiting on the pins then for the door so I can hang my rear, so I can throw my cab corner up, which is right here, obviously. Throw this up. It's a mess back here. Anyways, it'll be fine. I'll get it right. But yeah, it's the cab corner. I'm gonna need to have the door on it to match it up where it needs to be, which is right here. Rough idea. My biggest concern is when the hack job that did the cab corners last time, they just chunked out a big chunk right there. So I gotta plate that, which is extremely annoying. I don't know, if you don't know how to frickin' do the work, please, for the love of God, do not do the work. It's really aggravating for anybody that does know what they're doing to come in and have to tear apart someone's work and then have to patch it to make it look halfway presentable. Anyways, that being said, it's coming together. We're looking good. Actually finally hit a goal for this week, and was to get the rockers on, glued, fit. Like I said, weld it tomorrow, smooth out my welds, and you won't even tell that I put rockers on it, besides the fact that there's no rust. So anyway, I gotta get rolling to work, and yeah, like I said, it's coming together. It's looking good. I'm pretty happy with where I'm at, besides the fact that I wish I was done 3 months ago. But oh well, it is what it is. You can't do nothing about it. You can work harder, but there's only so much time in the day, and some of that time needs to be sleep. So yep, till tomorrow, we will catch you later. Morning. 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 All right, we're here. Let's get this smoothed out or ground out, welded up, ready to go. Smooth, welded, ready for some body filler. Looks pretty good if I do say so myself. A couple spots probably gonna done a little bit better on, but that is quite all right with me. But we will, I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably start on the bodywork on Monday on these spots, these 3 spots, to get them fiberglassed up. Probably gonna drop the truck down, get this door hung back on, and then get the cab corner situated. Last of the metal work, cab corner. From here on out, it should be pretty smooth sailing. Shouldn't be any major surprises. So yeah, hopefully Monday, get back at it, get something done.